TCL crew, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to all my newbies. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my avocado hair mask that left my hair feeling so soft, smooth, and silky. I used an avocado oil, honey, an egg, and a lemon. I also added coconut oil and sea moss gel. If you do not have sea moss gel, that is fine. This will still leave your hair feeling so good. I used an avocado that was really ripe, and I used a bowl. You do not have to use a bowl. You can just put everything straight into the blender, but I decided to use a bowl first. Here I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of honey. I also add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and then I squeeze 1/2 of a lemon into the bowl. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of sea moss gel, and then I will also be adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now it is time to blend the mixture, and as you can see, a few times I'm going to be starting and stopping my blender so I can shake it up to make sure all of the lumps and clumps are out of the mixture. We do not want it to be lumpy because when you apply it to your hair, when you are ready to wash it out, it may leave a residue if it is not blended correctly. This is the consistency that you should see when it is done blending. You want it to be smooth like a hair mask. All of my natural hair ladies, and even if you do not have natural hair, you need to try this hair mask. It will leave your hair feeling so good. Thank me later, and if you have tried an avocado hair mask, or if you would like to try this one, leave it down in the comments below. Let me know. Let me know how it turned out. Let me know if your hair loved it. Thank you guys for watching.